Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And I'm sorry for the delays, guys. I'm sorry. I was about to record and then I started procrastinating. I was gonna record Tuesday and then I procrastinated because I did press the record button and then I saw that okay, on lesson one he's not doing anything, he's just teaching. So I watched that and then I was like, okay, I kept on saying I'll record tomorrow. And also now I watched lesson two on the email. Still, he didn't do anything. I was recording. I had to delete that because I know no one will just sit back and listen to something that they don't see. First, like you have to see what is explaining. So I would advise you guys to go back to lesson one and lesson two, watch and make sure you understand, and then come back to this is lesson three, where we are doing the practical work. So yeah, okay, let's do this. Let's just go back to documents and then let's listen to him. What is he saying? Let's create a new folder. Before we get started coding, we need to set up. Okay, I see here. Here's a folder named contact book. Contact book. So yeah, let's save this one. Yeah, we have contact book right here, and then we will go to our VS Code. Let's listen to him. Our development environment. Now, as you can see on the screen, I've created a folder called contact book, which I've opened in brackets, and inside that folder. And as we are going to open our contact book on VS Code, open folder, and then select folder. Okay, on our left margin, let's create our index. Index.html, enter, and then let's start writing our content folder. There are three files. Okay, let me pause this. I need something that's going to hold this phone, but I can still see. Yeah, I can still see like this. So now HTML, then we are going to close it, enter, and then we will have our head, and then we're going to close it, enter, and then we have, okay, this one is new, meta. Okay, then inside we will have caps u tf, right? Caps u tf. Let me zoom in a bit. Caps u, okay, then we have 8, right? And then we are going to close this, shift close it. Okay, on title, okay, let's choose this, close it. Then we will have body. Okay, we will have body here. Shift open, body, enter, enter. Let's open our div, space, id. Inside id we have table, and then we are going to close it on the outside, and then we have contact lists. we have button, and then we are going to insert our ID also here, and then we have refresh, type, and then yes, I type a button, and then we are going to close. There we going to write refresh. Also below we are going to have a button again, which oh, I really need a workspace, guys. This thing of doing everything while I'm chilling in my bed, it's my back is painful, my shoulder blade to be specific is painful. Add contact type equal button, going to wait. Okay, we're going to close it outside, and we have add contacts, or like contact, let's just say add contact. Okay, and then here space, let's give it another space, a script, close it. Wait, before we close the script, src, then we have config, for sure this is configuration js, outside it, okay, script, there's nothing there, and then we will open another script. Here we have a script, close it, enter this. Okay, this is how his code is looking like. Alright, yeah, that's how his code is looking like. But like, I should have, okay, I don't get it. Body 8, maybe is there something I forgot? 10 button space, and then 12 created wait, yeah, line 12 I created a script, then I said enter, let's make it 10, 15, 15. Oh, okay, this is a mistake. Else currently, the first file is index.html, and the other two are config.js and enter API key. Now, these two files, config.js and enter API key. Okay, let's just add the, just in case, yeah, before we proceed, let's add these two other files it's talking about. Config.js, enter, and then we have enter slash ap, okay, dash, not the slash, api dash key dot h wait dot html. So yeah, we have our JS, we have our entire API key HTML. Okay, let's see. Will be provided to you below this video, and these are simply files that you will drop into your folder. There's no editing to do there. And okay, I think let's see if they really gave us what they're talking about. Oh, my phone. Cancel lesson 3. Okay, I see nothing. They didn't give me nothing. Okay, I remember I saw after this they sent something at FNB Academy. Yeah, this is it. No, this is not it. They sent something. I forgot, man. Like they did send during the day when I was checking my emails. They sent a separate email on the side that has, okay, here's, it's the follow up. It up. Okay, let's see. Tuesday's lecture recap business. HTTP of the year. Oh, okay. No. Okay, this was a session. This was just a session, guys. I'm sorry. Don't forget to download the okay resources. Yeah, I saw GitHub resources. Exactly. I know I wasn't tripping. Let's go to my emails. Don't read my emails, guys. Hey, I know some people are curious. Okay, they sent this email yesterday. Wait, how do I refresh? Exactly. So this is what I'm talking about. Config. Let's go back to yeah. Let me go back to my thing now. Thingy. Okay, this is config. This is what he's talking about. Maybe let's just copy raw file. Should we just copy everything or see the space here? Okay. This is JS. Let's just try and go paste it on JS. Okay. No. Control V. This is how it's set up. I'm not sure if they have to be a space here because like on the other side there is space. You see like here you see 1 2 has nothing, so I'm not sure if I should just leave it like this and start at 3. We'll see. Okay, here we are talking. Just copy raw file and then go back. We're gonna enter API key, Control V, and then I'm saving it. Control S. Let's see now our professor.
Reason for this we'll explain in the next video, why you have to include these two files into your folder. Coming to the HTML, the index.html file, this is a pretty simple, straightforward HTML template. Again, your head, your HTML head and body tags. And inside your body tag, you've got firstly a div with an ID is equal to table. And inside there, we got some text that says contacts loading. Next, we have a button that says refresh. Remember to set the ID to refresh and the type to button. And then we got a second button that has an ID of add contact. Its type is button and it simply says add contact. Finally, we've got a script open and close tag just before the body of the HTML page closes. And inside the first script tag, we've got src is equal to config.js, which basically refers to the config.js file. And finally, we've got the last open and close script tags with a line in between. And that's where all the magic is going to happen. So as you can see, this is a pretty simple HTML template.
Alright, let's go to lesson 4. Okay, let me just end this one and then have lesson 4 separate. So to avoid the video being long, it's already like 16 minutes.